So now what we'll do is we'll see what is enter answers at the end feature. I'll just keep it for 5 seconds, 2d 3 rows, and check this option. What happens if you check this option? You can't enter the answers on the spot, because lot of time is wasted in typing the answer. If you don't want to waste time in typing the answer, what you can do is you can just solve the questions and write the answers in your notebook, and at the end you can write the answers. So in this way you don't waste time in typing the answer. Okay, so now I'm clicking 26 39 minus 32, answer is 33. Next, answer is 88. So now I'll enter 33 and 88. So 33 I'll enter. Now the time will not get counted for typing the answer. 33. Okay, I have done only one question. So in this way you can check it out. Okay. So you will also see, did I include the option? I have entered the answers at the end, and you can check it out here. This will be very helpful if you are slow at typing and you don't want to waste time in typing the answer. You can enable this option and you can write the answers in your notebook, and at the end you can type all the answers here. So that is another option.